are stablecoins and how did they appear? Are they a real need? When and how to use them, and especially why? In this video, I invite you to answer these questions in a simple and easy to understand way. Hi there, my name is Christina, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I invite you to have a look at stablecoins in order to correctly understand their role and usage in the crypto market. Before answering the question, what are stablecoins? Let's understand a little bit how the financial market works. Why are cryptocurrencies so volatile? The price of most cryptocurrencies is determined by the market. Buyers and sellers exchange digital assets. The supply and demand are the ones to stabilize an asset's trading price. Depending on certain factors, the volatility of cryptocurrencies is very high, even for popular ones like Bitcoin. And imagine that you want to make all your payments in Bitcoin, but today it has a certain price and tomorrow it may worth double or half. This volatility is for the moment inevitable, because we're talking about a new financial system. This is a decentralized system that everyone has access to. Probably the most famous example of this volatility is the purchase of the 2 pizzas with 10,000 Bitcoin that happened just a few years ago. But why fiat currencies are not that volatile? The US dollar, for example, does not have the same volatility as cryptocurrencies. But this is a centralized, controlled, validated, and constantly adjusted system. More than that, not anyone can use it. In this context, stablecoins play an interesting role. They are cryptocurrencies that are not volatile. They try to maintain a fixed price, often in relation with a collateral asset. A stablecoin represents a currency with a fixed price or value. There are 3 approaches to stablecoins based on collateral assets, with support in fiat, dollar, euro, etc., cryptocurrencies, or other tradable assets like gold, oil, etc. Some stablecoins are supported and linked to a single real asset, such as dollar or gold. Others are supported by a cumulative asset, one or more fiat and/or cryptocurrencies, one or more tradable assets. We can see the continuous emerge of new stablecoins in the crypto market that exchanges regularly list. Let's have a look at some examples of stablecoins. Released in 2015 under the name Real Coin, Tether or USDT is the first and probably the best known stablecoin. It has a value of $1 US and we expect it to maintain this value no matter what. According to CoinMarketCap, at the moment of recording this video, Tether is on rank 5 with a total market capitalization more than $4.6 billion. Tether Limited, the company behind the project, claims Tether is fully covered at the ratio of 1:1 in fiat. The crypto community fears that the company's fiat reserves are not enough to cover all the USDT in circulation. Tether Limited strongly denies such claims. In June 2018, the Maltese platform Stasis launched EURS, a stablecoin based on the Ethereum blockchain guaranteed by euro. At the moment of recording this video, there are almost 32 million coins in circulation. Developers claim that this tokenized version for the euro combines the benefits of blockchain technology and traditional financing. DGX Gold tokenizes gold on the Ethereum blockchain, 1 DGX being equivalent to 1 gram of gold. You can store these tokens in ERC20 compatible wallets, and according to the official website, the DGX Gold token is backed by pure gold ingots. The manufacturers from the London Precious Metals Market Association are the ones to approve these ingots. The founders claim that they only buy the highest quality gold, especially in the form of 100 grams ingots from re-owned Swiss producer. The market cap for DGX is a little over $6 million. When and how to use stablecoins? Like most cryptocurrencies, you can use stablecoins for daily payments. However, they're not so popular for this. Most crypto users use them on trading platforms. With stablecoins, you can trade volatile cryptocurrencies for stable digital assets, especially when you want to reduce your risk and/or multiply the cryptocurrencies you own. Here we have a simple case study. Let's say you own a Bitcoin, which worth $10,000 or 10,000 USDT at the current moment, and you think its price will drop against the dollar. You can turn that Bitcoin into $10,000 Tether USDT and wait for the market to evolve. When BTC reaches, let's say, $8,000, you can buy 1.25 Bitcoin with the 10,000 USDT you have. When Bitcoin goes back to $10,000, your initial investment will be worth $12.5 thousand. So, by converting your initial BTC into USDT, you have two advantages. You avoid risks. When the Bitcoin price drops, your investment still worth $10,000. If you need to make a payment, you have $10,000 available in cryptocurrencies, not just $8,000. And second, multiplier investment. The example from above is quite realistic. Only in February 2020 you had the chance to do that. Still, you need to follow the market and choose wisely. Another great utility of stablecoins is the transfer between trading platforms. They are fast and cheap, and almost every platform offers markets for one or more stablecoins. It is worth mentioning that all these stablecoins are centralized. Also, some of the crypto trading platforms have made their own stablecoins, both to attract new users and to increase the quality of the services they offer. In September 2019, the International Money Fund, IMF, stated that a stablecoin would bring significant benefit to customers and the companies, although they are not without risks. Risks include the fact that banks may lose the role of intermediate as people would switch to stablecoins providers. At the end of the last year, Christine Lagarde, the president of the European Central Bank, said that financial institutions should not lose sight of the demand for stablecoins. So there is a growing interest in this area from many directions. So, for the moment, stablecoins are an inherent part of the crypto ecosystem. These are centralized currencies that have a fixed price and value, reflected in one or more other assets: dollar, euro, oil, or gold. And this is all for today. I really hope the information here is useful for you, and if so, then hit the thumbs up button and share the video with your friends. Also, you are invited to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more useful information from the crypto space. I'm Christina, thank you for watching, see you next time!